Whenever starting a new topic, it's a good idea to explain the ways it will directly relate to students' lives. When it comes to geometry, there are many jobs that require at least basic geometric knowledge, such as builders, architects, interior designers, fashion designers, engineers, and many others. Even if you're not in any of these careers, it's important to be able to communicate ideas that may involve the use of geometric shapes. Creating connections between ideas and words is crucial to developing understanding. When teaching students the words, it is helpful to have them organized in a logical way. Consider guiding the students through making a flipbook that they can use as a reference tool. Sorting the vocabulary words will help the students make connections between the words, and drawing and labeling shapes is extremely engaging and results in deeper learning. Remember to use these terms consistently through all of your lessons. Here's an example of how information could be organized. First, let's review 2D shapes, also known as polygons. Polygons have height and width, and sides, vertices, and angles. They include the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. And they can be regular with equal sides and angles, or irregular with varied sides and angles. All triangles have 3 sides, but there are many special types. Equilateral triangles have 3 equal sides. Isosceles triangles have 2 equal sides. Scalene triangles have 0 equal sides. Right triangles have a 90-degree angle. Obtuse triangles have an angle that measures more than 90 degrees. Acute triangles have all angles measuring less than 90 degrees. There are also many types of quadrilaterals, which have 4 sides. Here are some different kinds. Parallelograms have 2 sets of parallel sides and the opposite angles are equal. Trapezoids have 1 set of parallel lines. Rectangles have 4 right angles and the opposite sides are equal. Rhombuses have 4 equal sides and the opposite angles are equal. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. Now let's review the properties of 3D shapes. They have height, width, and depth, and faces, vertices, and edges. They include prisms, pyramids, cones, cylinders, and spheres. Prisms have 2 polygonal faces and 2 parallelograms. Types of prisms include triangular prisms, rectangular prisms, cubes, pentagonal prisms, and hexagonal prisms. Pyramids have a polygonal face and a point. Think about the pyramids of ancient Egypt. Types of pyramids include triangular pyramids, square pyramids, and pentagonal pyramids. Curved shapes are what they sound like, geometric shapes with curves. Here are some common curve shapes. Cones have 1 circular face, curved edges, and 1 vertex. Cylinders have 2 circular faces, curved edges, and no vertex. Spheres have no faces, no edges, and no vertices. There are many ways to make geometry hands-on. Students usually enjoy building with real-world materials, such as toothpicks and marshmallows, or dry spaghetti noodles and clay. Materials like these provide the opportunity to use vocabulary in a meaningful way. For example, have students build a square, then have them push opposite vertices closer together to make a rhombus. Ask questions that require students to communicate their observations and discoveries. For example, what similarities in